Welcome back to Ballroom Feed, and this is the first video in our East Coast swing series, so let's go ahead and learn the basic.
All right, leaders footwork. So with my left foot first, we're gonna do this triple to the side. So it's important that I go side of my left foot, I close my feet together, and then go side of my left foot again. There'll be technique videos talking about knee action and foot action. This is really just simple breakdown of my directions and timing. I go back with my right foot side, close together again, side of my right foot. I'll collect and then do a rock step back on my left foot, rock, and then forward, step, and I'm back to the beginning again. I go side, together, side, side, together, side, rock, step. My timing is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6.
Okay, time for the followers footwork. So we're gonna start with our right foot, side, left foot closes, right foot side, then we're gonna leave this foot and come back to it. Left foot, right foot closes, left foot side, and then we're gonna go back on the right foot into a rock step, forward on the left. Let's do that again. Side, together, side, side, together, side, rock, step. Again, side, together, side, side, together, side, rock, step. And now with some timing, we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 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 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. All right, dancing this together now. So the most obvious change between like other rhythm dances or generally partnering dancing, we don't actually stand right in front of each other in East Coast swing. So if I start parallel to my partner, we both actually open up very slightly. Our toes are pointing across one another. They're not all the way directly forward side by side. So we make this little V here together. The next most obvious thing is that I don't have my palms facing each other. My palm faces up as hers faces down. And again, our fingers stay together here. It's a very relaxed position in front of ourselves. We don't use this hand to lead the basic side to side. We use it to lead maybe turns later on. So right now it's very, very casual. We then start by making this triple step to the side, coming back together, and this V allows us to both rock backwards away from each other very comfortably, where most dances we do the natural opposite, but here we both actually rock backwards at the same time. My right hand still here on her shoulder blade, as you can see here, so that's pretty normal. For her now though, because this side of our body got closer together because of this V, she puts the hand on my shoulder blade as well too, which you can see if we turn on, sorry. Instead of it being kind of cramped on the top of the shoulder, which is not the worst thing ever, but then we find this is much more comfortable, especially as we go and rotate this basic around, which we'll talk more about now. We can kind of use each other and I can leverage into her hand more instead of staying on top of my shoulder. So I can rotate this either left or right, both are options. If I want to rotate it to the left, this is probably the easier option because I'm moving myself away, and then we can kind of recover here. And again, I move myself away. So that one's pretty easy. If my right hand just stays connected to her back, she'll feel as I start to rotate away from her. And then if I want to go rotate to the right, I'm going to go and cut her off a little bit here as I triple around. So now I take my body and cut her off a little bit. And as long as we both maintain our frame, meaning we maintain space in our frame, I don't want to let myself collapse as I go to cut her off, nor do I want to pull her as I go turn to the left. We want to feel like we maintain the spacing, which you can practice without this left hand because it doesn't help or hurt when it comes to rotating. And now I'm able to rotate in both directions. We always suggest for the leader to be able to do this by himself first. So I feel like I can turn myself in both directions really clearly, and then I can do it with somebody else in front of me.
Okay, so as far as the follower in terms of rotation, just maintain yourself on this side of him, even though if we're open like this, even though in the right turn he cut me off, we'd be facing more of each other for that part. But just make sure you don't try to go across him like this. So especially for him turning right, we wanna make sure I allow him to pass, but really, I don't have to worry about that as long as I follow him and then stay on this side of his body. So left aligned like we always talk about in all our dances. And then in terms of the left one, it's a little easier because he's bringing me across and I can feel that on my shoulder blade pretty clearly. And then the amount of rotation could be less than what we're doing right here, totally fine. It could be maybe slightly more, but really not much more than he's doing right now. So just go with the flow in that. That's gonna be up to the leader to determine the amount of turn he'd like to do. So followers, we're not gonna force it. We're just gonna follow and keep our foot directions as clear as possible. Going back to the basic a little bit, when we're in this position here, you'll notice that when I rock back and when he rocks back, it's slightly back and across ourselves, like so, instead of trying to go back like this and away from each other. So it's small step across yourselves and behind the other foot. That way we can stay connected comfortably and we don't worry about losing our partner. We'll do more in-depth tutorials on all the technique, styling elements, and then we'll probably break down how to turn each of the swing basics both directions in a Technique Tuesday at some point, so stay tuned for those. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, comment down below what you want to see next, and don't forget to head to our website, bombfeed.com. We have all of this and much more, so if you're enjoying the swing, go ahead, check it out. We have so much more to offer, as well as so many other dances. We'll see you very soon. Bye.